You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals -11/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all c terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2c from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 15/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is c equals -11/2.